National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Livingston Parish in southeastern Louisiana, northeastern St. John the Baptist Parish in southeastern Louisiana, southwestern St. Tammany Parish in southeastern Louisiana, southern Tangipahoa Parish in southeastern Louisiana, until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:02 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain are falling. Additional rainfall among south-storms and flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Flash flooding of and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hammond, Ponchatoula, Springfield, and Killian. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 55 in Louisiana between mile markers 7 and 30. Interstate 12 between mile markers 38 and 39. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Livingston, St. John the Baptist, St. Tammany, and
Major phone carriers make you sign contracts with rigid data plans.